Okay, we have an Okuma Cnc vertical machining center. This is a model Genos M560V, serial number 220542. This machine was new in 2019 and it is running. All right, this machine has a 51.18 by 22.05 table, T-slotted. Right now it's running at 2,500 RPM. It has an Okuma OSP P300M CNC control. 6,000. This machine does go up to 15,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 Big Plus spindle. That's 9,000 RPM and it is whistling. So the machine has 41.34 X-axis travel. 11,000 RPM. That's pretty fast. So the X-axis is the head traveling left and right over the table. The table then moves in and out 22.05. We're simulating a tool change, or actually that is a tool change. And it has 18.11 of Z travel. The machine has a 32 tool, automatic tool change capacity. Doing another one, there you go. This machine also has tool and part probe. It's moving the X-axis. This machine also has coolant through the spindle capability with 1,000 PSI pump. Again, that's your X. That's your Y. And your Z. All right. Hey, I think you've kind of seen it. Thank you for watching our video.